पिळगाव ते आमोणा पूल बांधून दिवपाचे उतर मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान मयेचो आमदार प्रेमेन शेट्टीक दिले खरे, पूण ते खातीर अट घातली। पूल करता पूण पिळगाव ते सारमानस फेरी बंद करतले। पिळगाव आमोणा पूल जाले उपरांत पिळगाव सारमानचे मजगती आनीक फेरी मागू नाकात। आयकात ताजी उतरां। गोंयांत अजून साबार वाठारांनी फेरी सेवा पळोवपाक मेळटा। पूल गती जोडटा तर फेरी गती तोडटा। ऑफिसात, हॉस्पिटलात वा शाळा कॉलेजीत पावपाची। पूल म्हटल्यार प्रगती, ताजीच मागणी मयेचो आमदार प्रेमेन शेट्टीन केली। दिवचल पिळगाव ते आमोणा मजगती पूल जावचो। पूल दिता म्हण सांगून सरकारान लोकांक आश्वासत केल्यात। आता तो चोडण पुलाच्या आदी जाता काय उपरांत ते मुख्यमंत्रीच सांगपाक शकता, कित्याक तर चोडण पुलाची आश्वासना घोषणा पत्राचेरच उरल्यात।
Public and commuters to travel from Sarmanas ferry to Marcel, as the ramp is at the point of Sarmanas Pilgao is very risky, narrow and steep, causing hardship to the commuters, especially during the congestion, and the vehicle has to remain in queue since the ramp is very narrow. Considering the pathetic condition of ramp, many times accidents occur, slipping of two-wheelers causing harmful injuries, and recently there was a nasty accident on 20th November 2023 wherein due to brake fail the entire four-wheeler along with the passenger immersed in the river. However, due to efforts of public, passengers were rescued, but the driver of the said vehicle died on the spot. Thus, to discard this ramp, which is full of risk, government may switch on to construction of bridge from Pilgao to Amona along with the access road, which will be most convenient, safest transport to the public.
Preliminary survey by the department, it is observed that construction of the bridge between the Pilgao to Amona, approximately 120 meters in length, is involved, including the approach road in the private properties of the around 200 meters from the Amona side and 600 meters from the Pilgao side. It is approximately having the width of the 20 meters. The total area required procurement of the land around 16,000 square meter. This department will be initiate a proposal to procurement of the land for the construction of the approach road in order to take up the bridge work. Hence, there will be the no fear and anxiety in the mind of the public as the department will initiate the construction of the bridge. आणि उलोवपा जाय कितें?
Thank you,
स्पीकर सर, फक्त हांव एकूच सांगता हेजेर, हो जो आसा पळय न्ही, प्रपोजल आमी फुडें घेता, म्हणजे पिळगांवांतल्यान आमोणा वचपाचो, बट परत थोड्या तेंपान तुजीच डिमांड अशी आसली किंवा लोकांची सारमानचे वेली फेरी चालू दवर म्हणून, परत आनी तें जावंक जायना। म्हणजे हेजेर एक फायनलायज जावपाक जाय। हो हेवटेंतलो ब्रिज घेता आसत जाल्यार ती फेरी पूर्णता आमी बंद करतले, आमकां फेरी नाका, कारण गव्हर्मेंट इन द सेफ्टी ऑफ द पीपल लोकांक आपले पयशे म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंट पयशे खर्च करून सगळें करता आसतना परत फेरीबोट चलोवप आमकां शक्य जावचें ना, कारण आतांच फेरीबोट चलोवप जे आसा पळय न्ही, विच इज नॉट।
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, संदीप कामोलकर, विन्सन रोझारियो आनी सानिका नागवेकर।